and welcome to Cigar Box Guitars, aka the Dutchman in San Marcos. And as you can tell, I'm doing this all in one take. I'm not in the garage, I'm in the studio. But it was kind of a weird week. I was out of town actually Wednesday and Thursday. Got back just in time in the evening to do the shorts. But right before I left, it was Tuesday. And late Tuesday night, my hard drive showed up, the new one that I'm waiting for. That had gotten delayed even from last week again. So I finally got it. So wouldn't you know it, right, the night before I'm going to leave. So now it's still sitting right on my desk to be installed. So I didn't get that installed because I didn't, that'll probably be tomorrow. Today is Friday, and I'll have to be working on that. So I didn't get any work done in the garage. So I just thought I'd give you an update of what was going on with my mini Mac. It's all sitting there nice and ready to be drop the new hard drive in it and set it up and get it all working. So this will be a one-shot kind of update of the Cigar Box guitars. Obviously, the last one I showed was cutting the frets. I didn't even pound frets in those slots or even glue it on the neck yet because I haven't had time, kind of waiting for everything to come in. So I thought I'd at least throw something up here for the show this coming Saturday so that you knew what was going on and what was happening. Hopefully next week we will come back with a program with work. Not sure about the style of the program. I still have to get the new computer running, get things loaded, and all that stuff. And so that might take another week. If everything goes smoothly, hopefully I'll get it done before I have to put out another video because I'm kind of resetting it all up. So we're kind of going that route, and that'll be the program. Keep watching my shorts. I kind of make the announcements there when things are happening and going on. Like I said on my shorts, the Retired and Loving It, we were actually doing shoe boxes for Samaritan's Purse, the Christmas Child, and we were at their processing center and doing all kinds of processing. Each day we did about 10,000 shoe boxes, and they're going to either Thailand or the Philippines. So that was kind of fun. And naturally, we always go to Portillo's to get a hot dog or Italian beef. I get Italian beef, so Lori like the hot dogs. And they also have great burgers, so we bought one of those even last night and split that in half. And I split my beef in half, so actually I'm having Italian beef tonight, right after filming this. So anyways, enough of just trivial stuff. Keep watching. There's a lot of good things coming up. We're going to do the Mini Mac box. We're going to finish up the Kombucha box. That's getting really close once I get the neck on. I've got to make some bridges, so I'm still trying to decide what kind of bridges I'm going to put on these boxes. Or just make, I've got some hardwood that actually has a rounded edge that I've been cutting, where if I can make it into bridge material pretty easy. So I might make one of those, or I might use that bone like I was thinking about. So yeah, we'll get to all of that, and hopefully we'll get back on track with getting those things done. I'm like, oh man, I got to really get working on those. So got to commit some more time to the workshop out there and get stuff going, to try to get through all this computer stuff. I lost all my pictures and things, so I started collecting them. I found a guy online, and now I can't think of the name of it. But anyways, he actually did a whole article on the Red Wing Clay Train, or actually it's a show. I'll get the name to that, and maybe I'll put that in the description if you wanted to watch his show. It was really informative. He had a lot of pictures. I started trying to copy them all, but I'll hook you up with that so you can watch that. So I hope you enjoy that. Remember, keep subscribing, make comments like, come on, get to work. I I don't mind, because I know I'm not getting moving on things. The motivation kind of gets low when you have difficulties, you know, like with the computer and breaking and stuff. So I got to get recharged and get going, and we'll be heading that way. So we will see you next Saturday, same time, same bath station. This one, actually, it was weird. I released them both at the same time. That was at noon. I can't remember. But anyways, I'll probably release this one and my other Clay Train show. I'm gonna try just do them both at the same time. So when you're done watching one, the other one will be already loaded and ready to go. So we're gonna give that a try. Let me know if you like that, and we will see you next week.